Hey guys, welcome back to Hugo's house. And today's episode, we're gonna draw the tornado. Why don't you take a look? Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw the tornado. All right, Mama. Step 1, we need a piece of paper.
Okay.
Then you put it right here because, Mama, you have to have something really hard.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to put it on here. And, Mama, we got some extra papers over here.
Mm-hmm.
First, you need to shake it.
This is a new sparkly gray marker, right? Yep, it's working now.
First, you need step 2. You need to do a straight line that goes like that.
Okay.
Now we're gonna do a long line down.
Okay.
Then you do it on the other side.
Okay.
Then you do a straight line on the bottom.
Okay.
Then, Mama, you need to draw some lines right there. We need to draw a lot of lines here.
Okay. Cool.
All right, Mama, now I'm going to draw the gloomy sky.
Okay.
Now let me draw the land.
Do you need to pause the video and go get a green
No.
for the grass? Oh, okay.
Okay, so first we need to put the lid back on. This is Let me turn it around like this. Right. Mama, I'll be right back.
Okay.
Don't pause the video.
Okay.
Hey, Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
guess what?
What?
I got a green marker for the grass.
Cool.
Shake it. Yep, it works.
Okay. You flipped it, remember? Yeah, there you go. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. So, Mama. All right, Mama, we did it. We finished our tornado. Mama, did you have fun?
I had fun, and I think you did a great job.
Yeah. I had fun drawing this tornado. If you guys wanna draw any more pictures, just let us know.
And don't forget to...
And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
All right, friends, now I'm gonna go have dinner.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you guys for so much for watching this video. Bye, friends.